Introducing Supernal's latest eVTOL. It's an extraordinary, all-electric, multi-generational aircraft that will reset industry expectations for safety, reliability, upgradability, and the passenger experience. The first thing you'll notice is the signature design featuring a V-style tail. And the 8 tilting rotors are a unique innovation unlike any other in the industry today. They eliminate the need for dedicated lift rotors. They tilt to create a smooth transition between takeoff and cruise, and they offer a host of additional advantages. The rotors provide redundancy through all phases of flight and optimize power efficiency. Plus, they're quiet. From the ground and in the cabin, the noise level will be similar to the hum of chatter you hear in a restaurant. Along with other remarkable advancements made by Supernal engineers, the V-style tail and 8 tilting rotors reduce complexity and weight. There's one design philosophy that runs through every feature of our electric aircraft: safety. In fact, we've designed it to go above and beyond to meet international criteria for certification and safety, which also means it can operate globally. And it can operate safely in poor weather conditions. Our aircraft will be IFR rated at launch, allowing it to operate in more weather and decrease flight interruptions, all the while maintaining the highest safety level. These are merely a few examples. Safety informed every last detail of our design. Of course, we kept operators in mind too. Our upgradable platform is designed to mitigate downtime. It'll reduce recertification efforts when you're installing new parts and allow you to upgrade to next-gen technology without buying a new vehicle. Then there's the cabin, which brings the best of luxury automotive design to aviation. You'll find elegant, spacious seating, informative cabin lighting for enhanced safety, ample storage for luggage, and a separated cockpit. Plus, the modular cabin design gives operators the ability to quickly change between 3 configurations. At launch, we'll offer 4-seat, 2-seat, and cargo configurations. We believe our all-new electric aircraft will do much more than turn a 45-minute drive into a 10-minute flight. Because it can fly to more places, more often, with greater reliability, we're confident it will set the gold standard for AAM and help usher in a whole new era of everyday eco-friendly mobility. While exciting for sure, Supernal's electric aircraft are merely part of a much bigger picture. We're synchronizing Supernal's aviation expertise with Hyundai's smart manufacturing, infrastructure know-how, and innovative mobility tech. Together, we'll have the unique ability to build a complete advanced air mobility network and scale our operations to meet worldwide demand. In other words, we're building tomorrow in every last detail.
Thanks for watching. Check out our other videos and subscribe the channel.